Hello all, welcome to the demo video on how to electronically sign a document using eMudhra's eSign service. Please note that this service can only be availed by individuals with registered eSign account. To sign the document, the user has to visit the eSign page on eMudhra website and click on Login button on the main menu to arrive at the eSign page. Enter the username and PIN and then click on Authenticate button. This will prompt the user to select the second factor of authentication from either SMS OTP or TOTP option. Choose appropriate authentication option, click on Get OTP button, enter the OTP that was received and proceed to login. Upon successful authentication, the user will be navigated to the eSign main page. Next, click on New Signature button on the left navigation bar to enter the first step of signing, that is, selecting the document to be signed. Select the document to be signed using either drag and drop or upload PDF document option. Once the document is uploaded, click on Proceed button on the side of the uploaded document. The user will now enter the second step of signing, where they have to specify the location of the signature. Place the signature at the preferred position by moving the signature holder. The user can also choose to customize or select an option from the drop-down menu available on the page. Next, specify place or location of the signee, the reason for signing, along with the signature page. Then click on Continue to eSign button to move to the last step, that is Perform eSign. Before the user can perform an eSign, they have to authenticate the signing activity using two factors of authentication, namely the PIN followed by either SMS OTP or TOTP. Enter the PIN, select the OTP option and click on Get OTP button to receive an OTP. Finally, enter the OTP, check the consent box and click on Perform eSign button to sign the document. Now, the user can view the signed document. They can also download the signed document using the download option or share it with others using share option on the top. All the documents that are signed by the user will be available in the Signed by Me page. The user can visit this page to download or share them. This concludes the demo on how to sign a document using eMudhra's eSign service. Thank you for watching this video.